Hyundai Genesis is equipped with power trunk LED system, but sometimes this system will not work normally after disconnecting the battery or after replacing the power trunk LED control module. For fixing this problem, you have to relearn the power trunk LED system. Let's see how we can do this. First of all, open the trunk LED, and when trunk LED is open, press the trunk trim switch and outside handle switch together for more than 4 seconds. After doing this, you see that the trunk LED will open automatically to fully open, and then it will close automatically. So after performing the opening and closing, and after e-latch lock the power trunk LED, initialization will be completed. Let's see how we can do that on the car.